Hey everybody, so I'm scrambling a little bit this morning, running a little bit late trying to get headed toward Atlanta to get to the airport, but wanted to swing by the shop here and weigh my suitcase. So that's the suitcase with all the hooks and all that other stuff in it. It's actually a cooler, you know, but I'm about to tape it up. It weighs 48.5 before I put the Gorilla Tape on it, and that bad boy's gonna fly. And yeah, I got all that stuff packed last night. It was a little after midnight. Got the backpack slapped full and the little orange suitcase, and I'm rolling out. So stay tuned. So guys, that's what that thing looks like, taped up and ready to go now. One other thing I was gonna tell you, this morning I pulled out a pair of new shorts for this trip, and these are what they are. They're the big Kahuna II. The cool thing about these shorts is, well, not really cool. Columbia quit making them, I don't remember how many years ago, but I bought up all I could find on eBay and everywhere else. Just been holding on to some new pairs because, you know, I wear these things every day. They're the only shorts that I found that my giant phone fits in the pocket good. And it's also got a wiper for your phone if you need it. So love the big Kahuna IIs. I did talk to some people at Columbia when I was down at ICAST and told them they need to bring back those shorts or some version thereof. So hopefully they will. All right guys, I'm about to head to Atlanta to the airport, so stay tuned. You know it's bad when the HOV lane is shut down too. All right guys, I made it to the airport, headed through to the south checkpoint. I got rid of the black cooler, 48.5 pounds, and now I am heading for security and hope that it is good. Hey everybody, so I'm here at security and it doesn't look too bad today unless they take us down that side thing again like they did last time and adds about another 45 minutes. But right now we look like we may be getting pretty close to going in, so stay tuned. I'm heading for the gate as soon as I clear security, which we get it done. It looks like I got here at just the right time. They are pulling out more ropes and making them go through more aisles. That whole section I breezed through is full now. Thank you, you too.
Good.
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Okay to go.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, we're headed for the escalator and then the tram. Here we go. Well, that's a sweet airport to go through anyway. I love it. You walk in, they look at your stuff, and you get on the plane.
That's it.
Hey everybody, okay, so I made it to the first gate that I was supposed to go out okay, and they had moved my flight, so it was a little confusion, but I'm at my gate now and I got 30 minutes to spare, so we'll be getting on the plane here in about 30 minutes and heading to Anchorage. One other thing I forgot to tell you, if you're gonna come through Atlanta, wear some shoes you could take off quick, because you're gonna have to put them in the bucket and go with it. A lot of the airports don't do that anymore, I noticed, but Atlanta does. So here I am, still in one piece, getting ready to go out of here. So guys, we're about 20 minutes from takeoff, and so far the afternoon thunderstorms have held off, because that's the thing, flying out of Atlanta in the afternoons. In the summer you can get delayed several hours by a thunderstorm. So looks like we're going to get out of here on time and be headed to Anchorage. All right, well, I made it to Anchorage, and I got a connecting flight at 8 that I got moved to 8:30 because I think I was going to be a little tight on time getting across the airport. So we are waiting to get off the plane now. If you love fishing, please subscribe.